Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be making a very yummy and delicious spaghetti jollof. Look at that plate, guys. Tell me you are not tempted to dive in. Alright guys, for the full list of ingredients I used in this video, please check the description box below. So over here I've been boiling some water, and to that I'm going to be adding my spaghetti, but you can use any spaghetti of your choice. And here I have 1 kg of spaghetti. So now in that one pack I divided it into 2, and now I'm adding 1/2. Now the remaining half I shared it into 2 again and added the half, and this is what I've got left. So in general I didn't use all the spaghetti. So I just added some salt, added some olive oil, stirred it around, and I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook until it's like 50% cooked. Okay, just cook it halfway through, and then once that is done, just run some cold water over it and set aside. Now into that same pot I'm going to be adding some coconut oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice for this recipe. Once the oil gets hot, I added 2 bay leaves. Just throw in some bay leaves, and then I added some thyme. I'm going to stir it around and add my chopped onions. Now here I've got some sliced ginger and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, just about a thumb size of the ginger. And here I've got 3 tablespoons of crayfish. Just throw it in there. If you don't like crayfish, you can skip that, but trust me guys, the flavor from that crayfish is something you don't want to miss. Okay. So after the crayfish I added some diced green bell pepper. I added some diced carrots as well, and then I threw in some sliced fresh tomatoes. Now I'm going to be adding some garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if you want. Now mix everything thoroughly, make sure they are well combined. And here comes my fresh tin tomato. You can use fresh tomato and blend it together with red bell pepper. Okay, but this is what I've got, and this is what I want to use for this recipe. So yeah, and also I added 1 bottle tomato. That tomato is like seriously so good. That bottle tomato, it's so good for cooking pastas. Okay, so now I just added about a teaspoon of nutmeg, and now I'm adding some curry powder. Now rinse the tin tomato and the bottle tomato and pour the water in there. Okay, because nothing goes to waste. Mix everything together, just stir it around, taste it. If you need to add salt, add some seasoning. If you don't have aromat, I'm adding aromat, but if you don't have it, you can add some seasoning cubes. I'm tasting it again and it wasn't enough, so I added more of the aromats. Tasting it for the last time and everything was perfect. So now I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes I'm going to add my pasta, but first, as you can see now, they have started sticking together. So my little hack or tip to get them separated is to run some cold water over it again, and there you go. Can you see they have come back to life again? They are now separate. So I'm just going to add it into the pot and mix it thoroughly until the pasta marries or the spaghetti until it marries the sauce and the sauce marries the spaghetti. Just make sure you mix it thoroughly. Okay, finally I'm going to be adding some sweet corn. This is optional as well. You don't have to add it, but if you have sweet corn, just add it and testify later. Okay, I'm not going to tell you how it tastes with the sweet corn. So now I just covered the pot and I'm going to cook this on a very low heat. Make sure you cook it on a very low heat so that the ingredients will get into the spaghetti really well. So after about 10 minutes later, I just checked on it and it was soft enough to my liking. And now finally, to take the flavor to another level, I added some butter to it just to give it a very nice flavor, aroma, and make the pasta look more silky and shiny, So after mixing it, this is what my pasta looks like. And yeah guys, I just paired it with some sliced cucumber, some hard-boiled eggs, some vegetable salads, and some freshly squeezed lemon and orange juice. You guys, this was so good and refreshing. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.